Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit funds on Binance US. First, log into your account and navigate to the Wallet section. From there, you will see options to either deposit fiat currency, like US dollars, or various cryptocurrencies. We will cover both methods in detail, ensuring you understand each step. It's a straightforward process designed for your convenience, allowing you to quickly fund your trading activities. To deposit US dollars, you have two primary options. The most common is linking your bank account via ACH or automated clearinghouse. This method is generally free and convenient for everyday deposits. For larger sums, a wire transfer is often preferred, though it might involve a small fee from your bank. Always ensure your bank account details match your Binance US account for smooth processing. Depositing cryptocurrency is also quite simple. First, select the crypto you wish to deposit from your wallet. Binance US will then generate a unique deposit address for that specific coin. It is absolutely crucial to copy this address accurately and ensure you select the correct network, such as ERC20 or BEP2, when sending from an external wallet. Sending to the wrong address or network could result in permanent loss of your assets. Before finalizing any deposit, remember a few key tips. Ensure your account is fully verified, as this often unlocks higher deposit and withdrawal limits. Always, and I mean always, double-check the deposit address and network for cryptocurrency transfers. A small error can lead to irreversible loss. Also, be mindful of any minimum deposit amounts for specific assets. Following these guidelines will help ensure a smooth and secure funding experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.